In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Wizz Air. If you're planning a trip and want the website to match the language you are most comfortable with, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch it in just a few clicks without digging through complicated menus. First, open the Wizz Air website in your browser. On the home page, look to the top area of the screen for a small flag icon. This icon represents the current region and language settings. It may show a country flag alongside a short code or label. That's your entry point to change how the site displays text. Give that flag icon a click to open the settings panel. When the panel appears, you'll see options related to your browsing preferences. Find the section labeled Language. Clicking Language will reveal a list of the available languages for the site. Pick the one you prefer from the list. As you select, keep in mind that the language setting controls the interface text across the site, including menus, seat selection, add-ons, and fare details. So choose the option that will make your booking process the clearest for you. After selecting your preferred language, look for the Save button in the same panel. Click Save to confirm your choice. The website may refresh automatically or it might update the text instantly. Either way, you should now see the entire site, from navigation to booking forms, displayed in the language you selected. This change helps reduce errors during booking by making policies, fees, and extras easier to understand. If you don't immediately see the new language, try a quick page refresh. Some browsers also rely on cookies to remember your preferences, so ensure cookies are enabled for the site. If you're on a mobile device, the flag icon is still your starting point. Just look near the top of the page where Wizz Air shows region settings. The same language option and Save button apply, and the result will be identical. Once the language is saved, continue browsing as usual. Your choice should persist as you search flights, review baggage rules, and complete checkout. If you return to the site later and it reverts, simply repeat these steps. It takes only a moment. That's all there is to it. You've changed the language on Wizz Air quickly and confidently, making the rest of your trip planning smoother and more comfortable.